JDCap26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're out on the deck today, outside, and looking at my cherry tomato plant is right there, and this is a Marconi giant pepper plant, and we got some basil and some sweet mint and parsley in that pot. I'll show you the tomatoes here on it, real close up. There's the tomatoes on there. Okay, and I'll show you the peppers. Peppers are way in here. I don't know if you can see them. Down there, see that? In the middle? That's a pepper. Okay, and there's a few of them there on the plant. And we'll be getting red peppers. Big ones, I think, too. In this pot, got basil and mint. We made green tea and mint. Sweet mint with honey. And a little ginger. And the basil's over there, right there. And parsley we use for spaghetti sauce, and of course the basil we use for spaghetti sauce. So that's a video for today, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.